Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is a Seidel Digifas motor controller, sent in to us by a hydraulics repair company. Newer versions of these units are under the Kollmorgen brand, but this one was so old it was still running DOS. The unit in the video had an output short, meaning it wasn't outputting anything to the customer system. We rebuilt the unit and hooked it up to a linear load as a test, and it output the proper voltages. ERD is dedicated to repairing old and outdated hardware in order to keep your machine alive for as long as possible. So if you're having issues with your electronics, call today for your quote.